Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to find your Walmart item number. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. Open up a web browser of your preference, and once you open it up, go to the URL box and type in walmart.com and press enter. Make sure that you're logged into your Walmart account as well. After you're inside the main homepage, to find a product number, go ahead and type in the name of the product you are trying to look for in the search box at the top. Once you search for the product in the search box, go ahead and look for the search result and click open the product you would like to find the item number for. Now, you will be able to find the name and the description for the product. Here, you will be able to find information about the item, such as pricing, reviews, and descriptions. Scroll all the way down and then you will be able to find all of the information for the product under product details. There you will be able to see the item number displayed on the screen right under manufacturer part number. By following this step, you can quickly find your Walmart item number regardless of whether you have your receipt or product packaging on hand. So that is how you should be able to find your item number on Walmart in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.